Guys, we have reached in the clouds. As you can see, all foggy man, foggy. Hello guys, me and my cousin have decided to go Kuske waterfall. As you guys know that last time I had to drop the plan because we were running short of time. So welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. And here he comes. What's it?
Nice girl.
Ora mare. मुझे बाइक है ना ये एक्सेस आ रहा है हम गए होती टाइगर है चल मेरे हाथी So we have left and the time is now 2:45. The reason I brought this bike today is because NS का मेरा थोड़ा सर्विसिंग बाकी है. That's the reason I have to bring this bike. और गाइस अभी जो मेरा कैमरा का GoPro का सेटिंग है वो सुपर व्यू है. पहले मैंने वाइड पे रखा था, अभी सुपर व्यू है. कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना कि ये सेटिंग कैसा है, ये अच्छा था या वाइड वाला अच्छा था. जो मेरे रेगुलर व्यूअर्स हैं उन लोगों को पता होगा कि मैं लास्ट टाइम चापोली डैम के पास जाने वाला था to do the photo shoot for my Instagram. So because it was dark, so we have to cancel the plan. So today we will go over there to click the pics, and from there we will head to कुस्के वाटरफॉल. बिकॉज पहले कुस्के वाटरफॉल गया और बाद में इधर चापोली डैम के पास आ गया, तो उधर बाद में अंधेरा होगा और फिर वही सीन होगा लास्ट टाइम का. तो सुना अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं चापोली डैम. होपफुली इट विल नॉट रेन टुडे बिकॉज बारिश आगा बाद में प्रॉब्लम होगा. ऑल्दो मैंने GoPro को वाटरप्रूफ बनाया हुआ है, बट बाद में मुझको GoPro से ये व्लॉग करना पड़ेगा. कैमरा तो बाहर निकाल नहीं सकता. सो फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. जिसका डर था वही हुआ. इट्स ट्रिजलिंग स्लाइटली. शिट मैन, ज़्यादा आ गया तो बाद में रुक के रेनकोट डालना पड़ेगा. वे टू चापोली डैम. यस. आने के साथ इधर थोड़ा ऑफ रोडिंग है भाई. अवई Look at the mist. Guys, as you can see behind me, there is a dam. But unfortunately the security is not allowing us to go there because इधर बहुत बड़ा सीन हो गया था. I can't take the name of that celebrity. तुम सगळा ऊपर रास्ता लेके चला थे. So it's our bad luck that we can't go and
We got some company behind us.
we got foreigners behind us. So now we are heading to which dam eh mere Kuske waterfall. See you guys on the bike. Back to motor vlogging. So we have taken the other route. As you guys can see the dam from here. Ooh. And the security was over here and he was not allowing us to go that side. So we came on the other side. उधर ना मरे उधर कवर डाले रे.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be.
Guys, we are leaving now from here to go Kuske waterfall. मैंने कुछ pics निकाले हैं which I will be posting on Instagram, so do follow me on Instagram on the given ID. So guys, I put my destination on the map. As you can see here, 37 minutes. So I'll see you guys whenever I reach my destination. Bye bye. We have entered the Kotigaon Wildlife Sanctuary. There was a board behind saying Kotigaon Wildlife Sanctury. आओ यहाँ किधर है? This is the gate. Go slow. think फाडल्या ticket भी आसा ना हमारे. फाडल्या ticket भी आसा ना हमारे. Ticket. हाँ माली राहुल नहीं दिखा. अकबर लागो ले चलो मुकारे.
माझा टाइगर व्यू पर
टाइगर जिंदा है.
आज ब्लॉग गाड़ी चला दूंगा.
Welcome to Wildlife Sanctuary. Kotigaon Wildlife Sanctuary. Oh, sanctuary. 16 minutes more. And it's drizzling, guys. Drizzling.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like
Guys, so we have reached at the location that is in Kuske. The locals are saying that the waterfall is closed due to COVID. I'm kind of now we only want to take some pictures and videos. So this is the notice.
white lies powerless, sweet as poison. Fell ill from your kiss. I got drunk off your
I think there is some 15 minutes trekking. I don't know if you are going in the right direction, and nobody is here to ask also. Begin रे. कर क्या है मरामी? I'm totally exhausted with this bag and by wearing the raincoat. है ना? अरे फाडल्याच आहे. Try. तू तो यहाँ रे. ट्राय चटा कुल्लीच होती तो मुजरा नाही खबर ना ठांडो है
उदका आवाज येता हुंचासो येतो कोणा.
चलो आम्ही फुडली वाट धरूया. Guys, look at the view from top. Guys, we have reached in the clouds. As you can see, all foggy man, foggy.
You climb so high, up in the sky, like a rainbow. So high. My dream is to fly.
Copyright it. Finally reached near the waterfall, guys, and I'm damn tired, totally exhausted. Enjoy the view. Okay, so guys, we have reached home. We want to share with you our experience. मैं सांग रही ऐसा experience नहीं.
अरे तो सांग रही. So guys, it was an amazing experience. We were diving into the clouds and we took the wrong way.
Actually, for 1 hour, we were going in the wrong direction.
Lost.
We lost way, and Google Auntie also was showing us wrong direction. Actually, when I showed you all that banner where it was written COVID-19,
That was the right way.
Yeah, actually
But
the road
the
was.
locals had closed the way because of COVID-19.
So because of that, we took a wrong turn, and we reached on top of the mountain in the clouds. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys like this vlog, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care. Mogasu. Hit over there. Ready?
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 Start.